everyone, hope you're well and welcome back to my channel. So if you had seen my last video, you will have seen my big news, which is that I'm pregnant. Very, very exciting. And I thought today I would do a unboxing from Cult Beauty. So a little bit of a different kind of unboxing for me, not makeup related at all. I don't think anything in here is makeup related, but kind of I am all about kind of wellness and self-care and taking lots of bubble baths and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going out, I'm not partying, so I'm spending a lot more time at home and, you know, just looking after myself. And also, you know, my skin has had a quite big knockback through pregnancy. It's better than it was, but I kind of wanted to, you know, my skincare routine needed a bit of an upgrade, I think. So I'm just going to open all of my goodies from Cult Beauty and kind of go through them with them together with you. I have opened it, obviously. You can see that I've opened it, but that was just to check that everything was actually in there. But going to open some stuff up and smell some products and go through what I bought. All right, taking all the paper out. Quite a lot in here. It's nicely packaged though, and I'm assuming everything in here can be recycled, but actually not entirely sure. So it always comes with a little bit of a book. Well, I say always, I haven't ordered for a little while, but give that a read later and see what their usual is. So first thing that I bought was this from Glow Recipe. So I'd seen this kind of everywhere, and it's their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So one of the things that I have really noticed is that I've had loads and loads of dry skin, which usually really affects me in the winter and not so much in the summer, but I'm just dry everywhere, which I think must then be a pregnancy thing. So I do have a really good kind of night cream, night mask that I use, but I just wanted to give something else a go. So obviously this is their smaller size. Look how cute it is. Very, very sweet, very, very cute. But this is actually a really good way of trying something without buying the full size version. So I think this was £10 for, how many mils? Doesn't say, can't remember. But £10, but the full size version is £40. So it means that I have something kind of really nice and cute. And this is a good kind of pot actually. I could use it for something else later, but basically means I can try it out without investing 40 quid into the one that I don't know if I like yet. Oh, I mean, that just smells just like watermelon, and oh, it's really gel-like, so it's quite different from the one that I have. I have like a night cream that it's an actual cream, but this is more gel-like, which I do really like. So that'll be really good to try. If I really like it, you'll hear about it again for sure. Okay, so what do we have next? Oh, okay. Again, like I said, my kind of dry skin. So I got a couple of these, which I have used before actually, these aren't new. And this is from the Inkey list, which is very similar to the Ordinary. And it's their Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So, I just keep smelling that watermelon mask that I put in my hand. But basically just kind of stocking up on these. These always sell out. And I think this is better than the Ordinary serum. It's less sticky and kind of seeped into your face a little bit more, but a kind of religious part of my skincare routine is hyaluronic acid. So definitely excited to have that back in stock. And I think actually I got something else from the Inkey list. Let me try and find that out, because this is new, and this is again a hyaluronic acid product, but it's for your hair, and it's like hair treatment, and I've never seen anything like this. So I think this is fairly new that they've started doing that. So, and it says actually it's frizz control, which I actually don't have too much of a problem with, but I am having like super, super dry hair. I think I need I feel like I need to condition and put a lot of conditioner in, which I haven't always had to do. So I just thought I'd give it a go really. And it's in a cute little pump. So I could definitely keep that in the shower. Need to figure out how to use it. But yeah, I'll give that a go. I have used Moroccan oil in the past, which maybe is a good alternative, but I'll definitely give that a go, see if it helps with my dry hair. Okay, so what have we got next? Okay, oh, some skincare stuff. Right, I'm gonna start with this one because this was a, I mean, it's all a bit of a splurge, but this was particularly a splurge. So this is the Eve Lom cleanser, and it's like a balm cleanser. Now I've used this once before, years and years ago. I got a sample, I think maybe I got it in an advent calendar or something. I got some sort of free sample, but like a nice big one. And I just remember it being the kind of best smelling, kind of smoothest, loveliest cleanser ever. This is expensive. It's over £50, I think. So it is a splurge, but I, you know, wanted to treat myself. So it comes in a really lovely box, and oh, I didn't know it came with a cloth. That's always exciting. So it comes with a cloth, some instructions. Yeah, so this looks like, oh, it's quite big actually. This looks like a muslin cloth. I'll be using a lot of those in the future, but this one is for me. And then this is the pot that it comes in. I seem to remember it smelled really good, but let's have a, ooh. Ooh, yeah. Not as nice as I remember, but it's kind of herbally. And it's basically, yeah, like you can see, it's quite a thick balm, but I seem to remember it worked really well and just made you, it didn't strip your skin, it kind of nourished it, I seem to remember. So I thought that would work really well for my kind of dry breakout kind of skin that I've been having. I've had a lot of breakouts around my chin and kind of here, there and everywhere really, and I think it must be because I'm pregnant. Very excited to use that one. So I got another cleanser that I've really wanted to try for ages, and this is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and it says it's for all skin types. So again, I just needed something that I felt was a bit gentler, and I kind of felt like this might do the job. I usually use, or I have been using a lot towards the beginning of the year, the Liz Earle Cleanse and Polish, but can't get it here, so I thought I'd try something a bit different. I thought this might be kind of a good everyday one, and using the Eve Lom one maybe as a treat every now and again, or when I felt like my skin really particularly needed it, because it is an expensive one to use twice a day. Not that this is cheap either, but you know, cheaper anyway. Oh, and then another one here. This is a kind of a brand that I'd never heard of before. It's called Sweet Chef, and it is ginger and a vitamin C serum shot. So vitamin C is really good for your skin in terms of just making it feel kind of brighter and less dull, which I don't feel like I'm getting the kind of pregnancy glow. So I'm kind of having to use stuff to try and fake it. I feel like actually my skin looks dry, it looks like it's breaking out, so I'm not kind of feeling the glow. So I thought this might help. So it kind of helps brighten and uneven skin tone. And usually vitamin C stuff is really expensive. But this wasn't too bad actually. So I thought actually it's a nice little serum, and then ginger, I don't know, never seen it in the skincare actually before. So thought I'd just give that a try, never heard of it. Ooh, yeah, nice. It's not super strong, but you can definitely smell the kind of orangey vitamin C citrus goodness. So looking forward to using that one. So this one has got a little bit squashed in the bottom. So this is from Frank Body, and I've used this, well, I've used something similar before. I've used their like coffee scrub, and it's a really awesome exfoliator for in the shower or the bath. But I got this one. This is called the Frank Body In Your Dreams. I'm really struggling with the letter S. Sleep, Scrub and Soak. So basically it says that it's got lavender in it, which is a really kind of calming essential oil, Epsom salts, which is really good for exfoliating, and it's got magnesium in it apparently, which is about melting away tension. So I think one of the things that I am experiencing is kind of broken sleep and not brilliant sleep. Some days are better than others, but I think it's only going to get worse. So I thought that this might be really nice to kind of put in the bath. I'm loving having a good bath. I feel like it really helps me kind of calm and relax, and then I get kind of a really good night's sleep when I kind of invest in that time and kind of put the phone away and kind of spend some time in the bath. So I thought this might be a really nice kind of bath time product. I did have a look to find some kind of bubble bath, but I actually really like the Dove one, and that's definitely what I would recommend. But ooh, it does look like it's leaked a little bit, but it still feels like it's yeah, it comes in a pack like this, and then I think you just kind of put it straight in the bath really. So looking forward to that. Again, if I like it, you'll hear about it later. So that's everything for my Cult Beauty haul. I hope you enjoyed going through it all with me. If there's anything here, and I hope hopefully all of it, but anything that I really liked or particularly enjoyed, you'll definitely hear about it later on Instagram, or maybe in a future video kind of coming up, where I'll kind of go through what I really liked. But I really thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, then please press subscribe and give any comments or kind of any recommendation that you have, particularly anything for the bath is what I'm kind of really into at the moment. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.